In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate text in Notion with AI, a simple Notion tutorial for beginners. Notion has rapidly become an all-in-one workspace tool that offers a plethora of features, and one of its most convenient capabilities is the integration with AI to translate text seamlessly within your workspace. This can be particularly useful if you're collaborating with people from different linguistic backgrounds, or if you're dealing with content that needs to be available in multiple languages. So let's dive in and explore how you can easily translate text in Notion using AI. First, begin by highlighting the text that you wish to translate. This step is quite straightforward. All you need to do is select the specific part of your text you're interested in translating. It might be a sentence, a paragraph, or even an entire page, depending on your needs. Just click and drag your mouse over the text to highlight it, and once you've done that, you're ready to move on to the next part of the process. Once your text is highlighted, you'll want to utilize the Ask AI feature. This is a powerful tool integrated into Notion that can handle a variety of tasks, including translation. To access this, simply click on the Ask AI button, and from there you'll see an option that says Translate. This handy feature is perfectly designed to help you make use of AI capabilities without needing to step outside of your Notion workspace. After clicking Translate, it's time to select your target language. The language options available should cover a wide range of global languages, so you'll likely find the one you need. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to scroll through and pick your desired language. Once you've made your choice, the AI will quickly get to work on translating your chosen text into that language. This step is where the magic really happens, transforming your original text into the target language seamlessly. Finally, with the translation ready, you can easily insert the translated text back into your page. Once the AI delivers the translation, make sure you review it for any potential adjustments. It's always a good practice to double-check the translation to ensure it aligns perfectly with the context and nuances you intended. After thoroughly checking it over, simply copy the translated text and paste it into your Notion page where you need it. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively translate text in Notion using AI. This feature not only enhances your productivity, but also broadens your communication reach, bridging language gaps effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user of Notion, this tool offers an invaluable way to expand your capabilities in the digital workspace. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you leverage Notion's AI features to better manage your multilingual text needs.